Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing the third variation of the warrior series, which is Virabhadrasana 3. This asana helps in strengthening of the entire body as well as balancing. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
The first step for Warrior 3 is to come into Warrior 1. Come to Tadasana. As you inhale, jump to spread the legs apart sideways. Then turn to the right such that the right foot points towards the right and the left foot is turned slightly towards right. Raise both the arms and stretch up to join the palms. Start bending your right knee to come into Virabhadrasana 1. Keep the right knee stacked over the right ankle and keep the belly sucked into the spine. Now bring your attention to the right foot. Ground that foot firmly such that all the four corners of the foot are equally pressed into the ground. If you are a beginner, you can bring your hands to your waist. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, start folding forward to bring the chest close to the right thigh. Steady yourself here. As you tighten your core, lift the left foot off the ground and start straightening the right knee. Try to balance here. You can take the support of the wall with your hand initially. Keep your hips parallel to the floor by turning your left thigh inwards so that the front of the left leg is facing the floor. Now you can stay here if you're a beginner, or you can try to take your hands off the waist and hover them on your sides. If you're comfortable here, slowly start extending them forward and bring them parallel to the floor in front of you. Keep the core tight. Keep extending the left foot back and the hands forward. Slowly bring the left leg down and come back to Warrior 1. Straighten the right knee and then turn left. Now let's repeat it for the other side. Come to Warrior 1 on the left. As you exhale, bend forward to bring the chest close to the left thigh. Then steady yourself and lift the right foot off the ground to come to Virabhadrasana 3. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Then bring the foot down. Straighten the left knee and turn back to face forward. Jump in to come back to Tadasana. This was Warrior 3. It can be a bit tricky initially to get the hang of balancing on one leg, but you'll get there with practice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe to stay in tune with new yoga videos every week. Bye-bye.